Hi, my name is Nick Digiovanni, and today, Press Juicery challenged me to think outside the box and create a special holiday recipe that I want to share with you. A baked vegan truffle mac and cheese. So I have just a couple of ingredients here to keep it simple. I have my vegan cheese, some cashews that will toast, some delicious white truffle salt and white truffle oil, onion, and then Press Juicery's new oat milk, which is delicious. Comes in this awesome take-home size and also doesn't have any of those gum stabilizers, nothing in here that other oat milks have. It's just plain oats and water. Skillet, nothing else in there, and just shake them around a little bit till they get that kind of nutty flavor and you start to smell things a little bit. So next we're gonna chop our onion. So I'm gonna quickly salt my water. You wanna taste like the ocean when you're making pasta. And now we're gonna put our macaroni in. And I'm gonna cook this for maybe 5-6 minutes because we're gonna keep cooking it a little bit after we go to add in our other little elements of this dish. So partway through, I'd just give your macaroni a quick check. Just taste it, see where it's at, because you want to keep it a little bit undercooked. So now we're just going to take this, reserve it off to the side. Our pasta is complete. Boom. So now I'm going to take our truffle oil. I'll put a little bit of that in a hot pan. So now our oil is nice and hot. I'm going to take my knife, scoop up some of our onions, and toss that right in, and we'll get a nice little sizzle from the pan, which is perfect. So I'm going to shake up my oat milk, put in just a little bit in the pan, enough to sort of coat the bottom. So with this oat milk and flour, we're going to sort of make this mac and cheese that's ooey gooey and you wouldn't know it's plant-based. So now we're gonna go some of these toasted cashews in. I'll maybe grind them through my hands a little bit, drop those in, and then a nice big handful of cheese. So now we're gonna go macaroni in. So I'll just dump this right on. So I'm gonna take my truffle salt, and I already salted my water, so I don't wanna put a ton, but just enough to get that nice light truffle flavor. I'll just sprinkle a little bit on top. So this is for baking. So we're gonna stick this right in the oven, add a bake at first, and then we'll switch to a broil. So now we're gonna leave that in there for maybe 3 minutes or so, but I'm gonna keep a close eye on it to make sure the top doesn't burn. And here it is, my plant-based baked truffle mac and cheese. All right, moment of truth. Perfect.